dear students, welcome to my class. So today we are going to learn multiplying decimal fractions. So today here are two methods of multiplication of decimal fractions given in textbook. So which one is easy, that one we will follow. So here I have taken first example 2.5 into 6. So vertically we will arrange it, that is 2.5 into 6. Usually how we are multiplying, same way we will multiply. 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, then 6 2s are 12 plus 3, it is 15. So our answer is 150 without thinking about this point. Now if they are decimal fractions, so we will think about this point also. Here to this answer 150, we will give here point. Why? See here, before one place point is there. So here also from right side we will leave one place and here we will give point. And this 6 is not decimal fraction, so we will not think about this decimal point of this 6. If we will see this second example, it will be clear again. See here, 4.2 multiplied by 2.7. Usually how we are multiplying, same way we will multiply 2 digit by 2 digit. First we will multiply by 7. 7 2s are 14, 1 carry. 7 4s are 28 plus 1, 29. Here we will give 1 0. Then we will multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Now we will add this one. 4, 9 plus 4, 13. Here 3, 1 carry. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. This is our answer of this multiplication. Which one? 42 into 27. But now we have to think about these decimal points. So here before one place point is there and here also before one place point is there. Total how many places are there? 2. So here also for answer we will leave 2 places. This is 1, 2 and here we will give point. Answer is 11.30 or we can say 11.34. This is simple method of multiplication. Only how to give point, decimal point, that we learn. In textbook one more method is given. We will think about that also. See now here 2.5 into 6. How we will do that? This 2.5 decimal fraction we can write in common fraction, that is 25 upon 10. That you know now. And this multiplied by 6. So 6 is always having denominator 1, means any number is always having denominator 1. So we can write it 6 upon 1. Now here we can multiply to numerator and denominator to denominator. See here what to do? 25 into 6 upon 10 into 1. So 25 6 are 150 upon 10 ones are 10. Now here denominator is 10, so we can convert this common fraction into decimal form. So how we can write 15.0? 15.0 you can read as 15 also. Here also this 15.0 you can write 15 only. As I told you, no value of this 0 after point. So same way we can multiply these two also. 4.2 we can write 42 upon 10 and this 2.7 we can write 27 upon 10. Then multiply numerators, multiply denominators. Then you will get common fraction and then you can give decimal point to that number. Same way you can do any multiplication. So which method is simple that you can use. Watch next video to make all things clear. Bye bye. Have a nice day.